What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $300 just by clicking websites. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And every month, I give away free money. So, do yourself a favor and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And also, it's very, very important to follow me on Instagram because that's going to really increase your chances of winning some free money if you follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind. All right, guys. Before I get into this method, please, I want you to do me a favor. Go check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. It's a very entertaining channel. And also, you can learn some things there. So go check that out. It'll pop up, the link will pop up here in this video, right at the top of the screen here. Go check that out and subscribe for me because I'm also giving away free money once I get to 2,000 subscribers. I have like 800 to 900 more subscribers to go on that channel. So help me out, subscribe, and get a chance to win some free money over there too. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called Lightgpt. And you go to lightgpt.com. Now, this is a brand new website. I've never talked about it before. And I'm going to show you how new it is because it just started. It doesn't have that many members and it's growing daily. So this will be an opportune time for you to register with this website and start making some money because you won't have to worry about any competition. Now, it's free to sign up. Now, here are all the ways that you can make money on this site. So, PTC, which is paid to click, and video ads. So every time you click on a video ad, you're going to get paid. And they have offer walls and GPT and CA and CPA. So that's another way you can make some money through their offer walls. And then they have short links. And short links are where you shorten the link and whoever clicks on the link, you make money. And then they have Faucet, which is one of their ways to make money because they have a currency which is called Faucet Pay. And you get paid that way also. So it says over here, our innovation features for members give them flexibility and more earning potential. So more than 8 earning ways, instant withdrawal and low minimum, withdraw in many currencies, unlimited direct referrals, and cheap and profitable upgrade plans, daily bonus, and passive income. Now here's some of the advertising ways, which is for the companies that come here. They want to advertise their website or video or whatever, and they come here, and that's how they have work for people like you that come to this website, because they offer their services to other websites that want to get promotion done or advertising done or marketing done. All right, let's scroll down here and look at the total members. So it's 43,542 members. Total earned is 2,096, and members online is 666, and total paid out is 850. So like I said earlier, this is a very new site and it's not that many people on here. 606, that's the lowest I've ever seen on a website that offer these type of earning benefits. All right, now this is just the people that runs this website and put everything together. And here are some of their services that they offer to people that come over here for earners and also for advertisers. So revenue sharing, like I said before, they share the revenue. It's a sharing revenue system that they put in place so you can get paid. And they have an anti-cheat system, so they have it set up where you can't cheat the system. And multi-language support. More than 10 different languages are supported. So that means that any language all around the world, 10 different languages all around the world can be able to work on this website. They have multiple currencies, including Bitcoin and other cryptos. They have offer wall, which is many offer wall support automatic postback and credit instant. And let's see what else they have here that could be of interest to you guys. They have security capture. Now what that is when you're logging into a website and they ask you for a little code they want you to read, you're going to be doing that too, and you'll get paid for doing that. And they have many payment processors. So they have perfect money, Payoneer instant ordering credit, live balances, one-click payout, and 100% automatic. Now here are the payment processors. So you got Bitcoin, you got PayPal, you have Perfect Money, Faucet Money, Payoneer, Coin Payments, and blockchain. Now let me show you some proof. Here's some payment proof I'm going to show you. Now, as you can see, they support countries all over the world. Brazil, Vietnam, Indonesia, Pakistan, Nigeria, Ukraine, and many other countries. And you see this is real time. They're getting paid out real time. I know this amount is very low, but it's up to the person that's on this website. If they want to cash out right now, they can, because there's no minimum. It's really no minimum to cash out. A very, very low minimum. Now, you can, as you see, this person in India, they cashed out $25. So you can cash out more than just 1 cent. Okay. Now, that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this website. This is very, very good opportunity for you to jump on this right now. Get on this website right now before it grows too big, because you're going to have ways you can make money on a daily basis. So if you're ready to go ahead and start with this website, go to lightgpt.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. That's all I ask. Just 100 likes is really gonna help me out. So if I see 100 views, I would like to see 100 likes. Please help me out. And drop a comment down below if you have any question about this new website that I've talked about today. And please share this all around the internet, because I'm trying to help everybody I can, because we all need to try to make this money online and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for your help and your support, checking out my videos all the time. And I'm going to do a shout out. I'm going to do another shout out. It's not going to be in this video, but it's going to be in the next video. So leave a creative comment. I haven't seen a real creative comment. So if I see one, definitely next video I'm going to shout you out. Okay guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. See ya. Get your grind on.